we're here at the Sunset Beach Hotel. It's not looking good. Took forever to check in. My room is not ready, and I see no windows, and there's a room on the other side, so I don't know that our room's gonna have windows. It's very peculiar.
Oh, well that's.
Oh, thank goodness.
That's much better.
Oh.
All right, I was gonna get pissed off.
We were a little paranoid that our room was not, and it is pool view, so.
And it's also ocean view.
All right, much better, much better than I expected. So I don't know.
So we shouldn't have to worry about people being noisy at night, right?
No, because they're not supposed to be in the pool. So the pool closes at sunset. So oh my god, this is awesome.
Oh yeah.
This is awesome. It's fine. We'll be too tired tonight to care.
Oh, I know. I just like hearing the ocean.
I do like hearing the ocean. Oh, the pool closes at sunset, so.
See, I thought these were other.
I thought there were other rooms too by the map, so I was freaking out. So.
Okay, this is what we paid for.
This is, maybe it's the room above us. I don't know. I think it's probably the room above us that they're doing.
Okay.
Because I was worried that it would be a windowless room. I worried for nothing. This is what happens when I have to wait for them for 2 hours.
I know.
We were walking the beach for 2 hours. So it's a basic room, but this is, would not stay here again. Absolutely would not stay here again. But for booking this 5 days ago, we're just lucky to get a room. So
Yeah.
it's a slight musty smell. It's kitchen. Pretty plain. But it's very close to the beach. Very close to the beach. Let's see where the bathroom's not bad. Nice bathroom. Bathrooms. Oh my god, needs a new tub, but that's fine. And they give us a nice breakfast basket. So they said, this is the breakfast they have, and then there's supposed to be cold stuff in the fridge. So I thought that was pretty cool. So yes, we have orange juice and milk and fruit cups.
Well, that's nice.
And then she put our poppers in the freezer.
And they gave us poppers, yeah.
And there's ice cubes. And
there are ice cubes?
Yeah, there's 2 ice cube trays. All right, I guess we have a bagel because there's cream cheese. That's really cool. So we're gonna have milk and orange juice in the morning. That's gonna be really cool. And they give us a basket every day. We're here for 3 nights. And
I'm glad, you know.
I like it. You know what? For booking this like 5 days ago, it's pretty darn good.
I was worried because it said pool view. I was worried it might be a noisy room, but it doesn't have the possibility of being a noisy room.
No, it's not a noisy room. So this, again, before I forget, is called, what is this called? Sunset Beach Resort. And I'll add at the end what the grounds look like. It's very close to the beach, very close to one of my popular parts, my favorite parts of the beach. We just shelled for 2 hours. We did really good for just casually shelling because I couldn't get in the water. So they gave us free sunscreen. We came in, and water, that's my water. Look at all these nice shells we got.
It's like a
look at that.
remedy for everything.
That was amazing. I'll show the shells in another video. Of course, I'm gonna have tons of shelling videos, but just walking the beach for 2 hours casually, look at all these shells we got. So we're gonna unload the car, and I'll do the tour of the grounds later. All right, Robert saw on the map that there was a shell cleaning station. So as we go walk to the shell cleaning station, it's a good opportunity to show you the grounds. So it's basically one long strip of hotel or motel rooms. Is it called motel when it's on the outside? This is how close you are to the beach. Super close. You're very funny, Robert. And it's high tide right now, so it is.
Got these big costs?
I know they have shuffleboard. See how close to the beach? And there's shells right there. Shells all along the beach. Alright.
Look at some folks. How does this not flood?
I don't know.
You know what I mean?
I don't know. So that is the pool right there. We'll walk by the pool real quick. So yeah, it's just one long strip of 3 levels
I
of
wonder if there's any
homes.
black cats in here.
Robert, why would there be black cats here?
Yeah, but how? Look at that. Now we're.
Yeah, that's the bottom room. Would not want to be in those bottom rooms. Would not want to be in those bottom rooms.
We're at the
See, now this is the part where I'm glad that I brought long sleeve because now it's getting cool. It was hot earlier when we were.
Appreciating us having a pool that doesn't stay open.
Yeah, but it's you know what I mean? It's cool right now. I could be wearing that long sleeve. I definitely will be wearing my long sleeve tonight. Let's go. Alright, there's supposed to be... Oh, there's the laundry room if we need to do laundry. Shuffleboard. And then there's supposed to be a shell cleaning station. There's probably like the pool house where they have the chemicals and stuff. Chemicals? I don't know, Robert. I didn't see it. Here we go. Shell cleaning station. That is pretty darn cool. Is the water work? Does this pupil really?
Turn it on.
Alright, it really does work. Alright.
This is where you put them. See, and then you can put your extras here.
But it's got a hole in the bottom. I wish I would have known that. I would have brought the colander because I really don't want the stuff to fall. Oh, look, someone left a sea urchin right there. Why did they leave a sea urchin? Oh my god. I'm still in that.
Why don't you just put this under the thing and then get water in it and then use this?
That's a great idea. This is all the shells we got today. Okay, you do it.
I mean, you don't have to put it under it. You can just.
I know what you're saying, though.
I guess I do have to put it under, don't I?
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay, I'll turn it on. You hold it.
Hold on, I gotta get it under there. Hopefully there's no alligators under
There's
here.
no alligator. You ready?
Yeah, good.
Not for sure how this is supposed to.
I don't understand.
I'm cleaning in my room next time. This is not what I
didn't hear that.
There's no rule that says I can't clean in my room.
We're gonna find a reason to tell this number. Let's see what you see. There's two checkerboard things there.
Alright, tell me. There's checkerboard right there.
So we gotta get them covered.
Am I done?
We gotta rattle them. Give them the gold. Okay.
Alright. Oh, look, they even have like.
Well, there's all identification card. There you go.
Scotch bonnet. I'd like to find one of those.
Look at that.
Maybe that wasn't the best idea. Alright, spread them out on the grate. Okay, I'm looking at a nutmeg. I know we got a nutmeg today. These are what I pick these. A lot. Miraxes. This is the desirable one. Turkey wing. It was turkey wing. I think I was close. Alright, these are the ones we got today.
Flimsy.
This was the. Where's the. Oh, wait.
We got several lightning logs.
Something stinks. Could just be the area around here. Alright, where is the. There it is. This one washed right up. Isn't that cool? That one was really cool.